Assalamu alaikum. It's Kamran. Well, today I am here to tell you about the problem that I have been facing in learning English. Honestly speaking, there are lots of problems that I have been facing. The first and the main problem is our confidence level. Because when we try to speak, we feel shy and we start hesitating, and we don't have built our confidence level, and we hardly ever work on our confidence level. And confidence is an important thing in doing everything. If we don't have confidence, we can't do anything. And the second problem is my hearing problem. I face lots of problem in it, and if we don't hear something clearly, we can't be able to answer it in a correct manner. And the third problem is how to converse with someone and how to convey a message to someone. In this problem, I almost all the time stuck in it, and in the last, the grammatical mistakes and problem. In grammar, there are lots of problem that I have been facing, and like how to understand the tense and the sense of the sentence, because if we don't understand the sense and tense of the sentence, we can't be able to answer it in correct manner to someone. These are the problems that I have been facing in learning English, and inshallah one day I will improve all my weaknesses. That's all from my side. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Seema. I am from TLC Intermediate level. Today is my topic, how is your husband? If you ask me about my husband, he is a really loving, caring and faithful husband. If I face some difficulties in family matters, he always there for me, and he never asks me when I go anywhere, and he doesn't argue with me. Sometimes he gets angry when children annoy him, and he always respect my parents and give value every relation, and his feelings is valuable and appreciated. He provides us good life. In the end, I just only want to say, may Almighty give him a long life with wellness and health. So Allah Hafiz.
Assalamu alaikum. Here is Irtiza. Well, now my topic is how can we make our future very successful in this city. Honestly speaking, no one knows his future, but we have to find such ways that will help us in our future. Now we can focus on upcoming projects in our Karachi city. We almost know Karachi will build again soon, so we have to join construction companies or know how to work with them. Now you know why I am raising the point of construction companies, not all the not all the companies, because in our future we have many opportunities of construction companies. Construction companies gave us many vacancies to work with them. It is very useful thing for us. We have to pick such thing that will help us in our future, and that will bright our future very soon. We always work hard in our future, because hard work never goes waste. Anyways, everyone's future is in the hands of Allah. No one will be able to change his decision by himself. That's it from my side. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are fine. My name is Ahmed Ali. Today my topic is, if I have 100 million rupees, so what 5 things will I do? Let's see what will I do. First of all, I just want to say nobody knows about future. We can just imagine and plan for the future. My first point is I will perform Hajj and Umrah and visit Muqaddas places around the world because I quite like traveling with my family. In my family, I have only 5 members. Second point is I will help poor people and I will provide houses and I will give good education to the students, to the children of the poor people. Third one is I will build a lot of mosques and madrasas for Sadaqah Jariyah. And fourth one is myself, I will buy an expensive laptop and personal computers and smartphone because these things are related to my field. Fifth one is the last one, it is the very important point. I will invest my money in a place where I can start earning and make money. These were my 5 things. What will I do? Now tell me, if you will have 100 million rupees, so what will you do? That's all from my side. See you next time. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sara Imran and my topic name is when I get 5 crore rupees, what 5 things I will do. When I get 5 crore rupees, first I will go for Hajj with my family. Second, I will change my house and buy a big house. Then I will invest some money to establish an academy for needy people. Because it is my wish to help a people. As you know, it is a popular quote, Allah help those who help the mankind. I like to be a professional designer, so I will build a beautiful boutique. The last not the least, I will buy a new car of latest model. The last thing, I will go for world tour, especially Turkey and New York because it is my favorite places to visit. It is all for my today topic. I hope you will like my topic. Allah Hafiz.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Maham. I am from TLT Intermediate level. Today my topic is if I have 10 million rupees, what I will do. First of all, as you know, nowadays it's hard to earn money for everyone. Our country conditions is going down due to COVID-19 and many people are facing problems. Well, it's time to help each other. Well, if you talk about me, if I have 10 million rupees, first of all, I will help for those people who really need money and who can't provide food to their children and can't afford education to their children. And second, I will give some money to my parents and also, I will use some money for my studies and buy a luxury home for my parents where me and my family will live. And also, I will want to go a Pakistan tour with my friends, my own. And also, I will save some money for my future. And that's all from my side. I hope you will like it. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, I am Hassan. I want to tell about you. When I get 10 million, firstly I will go to Hajj with my parents, and then secondly I will buy a new house for family, and then I will donate some amount to those who are really needy people, and then I will go on Pakistan tour, and then I will go on Pakistan tour. And then lastly, I will invest some money on my business. So these are 5 things, and I will do definitely
when I got 10 million. That's all. Thank you from my side.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Mariam and today my topic is what are the learning in facing problem English. Honestly speaking, I have many problems in learning English. First time I come in TLC, I don't know how to speak English. Slowly started, I am learning English by tenses, verbs, translate how to English to Urdu, Urdu to English, and now I am focusing pronunciation, lecture, speaking, reading, writing, learning, and including speech, recording, lab test, game, and I am taking recording in front of camera. I have been learning English since June. Then now I am learning English. That's all my presentation today. If you like my presentation, please like it. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.